Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Kanawala and I head equities at Kotak Life Insurance. I am here to share our thoughts on some of the recent macroeconomic developments and its implications on the investment portfolio. The most important question in the minds of investors today is, what are the key reasons for current slowdown in the economy and what are the steps taken by the government to revive it? In our view, three factors have contributed to current slowdown. Number one, post the financial crisis of 2013, RBI adopted a tight monetary policy approach to control inflation. Number two, economics reforms like GST, Indian Bankruptcy Code and RERA initiated by the governments in its previous term have caused short-term disruption in the economy. We believe these measures were essential and have laid foundation for sustainable growth in the economy. Number three, due to US-China trade war, there was a global slowdown in the economy. But the good news is that all these factors are reversing at the margin. To begin with, Monetary Policy Committee has adopted an accommodative approach by cutting repo rates by 1.35% since Feb 2019 and has moved banking system into surplus liquidity. They have also given assurance that they are willing to adopt an accommodative approach as long as the economy revives, and they are willing to overlook short-term spikes in the inflation. Secondly, the government action has become more constructive in the last 1 year. They have continued on their path of fiscal consolidation, yet they announced measures like cut in corporate tax rate and removal of dividend distribution tax to incentivize manufacturing. These measures are likely to put 2 lakh crores in the hands of corporate India on a sustainable basis. They are also working on simplifying labor codes, which will make India an attractive destination for manufacturing activity. Also, US-China has signed a trade pact in the month of January, which is expected to revive the global economy on a gradual basis. The next question is that, is it the right time to invest in equities and debt? The earnings for corporate India has been in single digit for the last few years. We believe the negative effect of the reforms are in the base and earnings are likely to revive over the next 2 to 3 years due to following reasons. Number one, improvement in GDP growth. Secondly, reduction in credit costs for the banking sector. And thirdly, improvement in profitability of commodity companies due to revival in the global economy. Valuations are currently in line with long-term averages. This makes equity an attractive asset class to invest into. Interest rates are likely to remain lower for longer. However, RBI has limited room to cut rates further. Hence, the returns on the debt side will be in line with the portfolio yield. This makes equity an attractive investment opportunity compared to debt over the next 2 to 3 years. The investors should assess their risk appetite before deciding on the capital allocation. How are the Kotak Life portfolios positioned to benefit from these changes? There are 4 structural themes which we like from long-term perspective. Number one, formalization, which means movement from unorganized to organized sector. We believe retail sector will be a key beneficiary of this theme. Number two, financialization of savings. Government has been encouraging financial savings over physical savings, which will benefit insurance and asset management companies over the long term. Number three, consolidation. There has been massive consolidation in some sectors, which has led to few players gaining large part of the incremental growth in that sectors. Private banks and telecoms are our preferred place to play this theme. Number four, exports. This has been a major thrust area of the government. Also, global corporates have been looking ways to diversify their sourcing base away from China. This augurs well for Indian manufacturing sector. Specialty chemicals is our preferred play in this theme. On the debt, safety and liquidity continue to remain our prime consideration. Hence, large part of our portfolio is invested in government securities. Our current duration is around 5 and we'll be looking to bring it down further in case there is further fall in the yields. Finally, Are there any serious concerns from coronavirus episode? As you are aware, the coronavirus infection started in China in the month of January, but is now gradually spreading to other parts of the world. Based on the similar episodes of infection like SARS in 2003, it is expected that situation should stabilize in 2 to 3 months. In case it continues beyond March, then there can be impact on the global economy which needs to be monitored. We believe that any sharp correction in the markets on the back of this can offer an attractive opportunity to invest into Indian equities. Thank you for watching and happy investing.